Okay, so what if I told you that the numbers all around you, your birthday, the letters in your name, even your address, what if they're not random at all? Today, we're going to dive into this ancient idea that these digits actually hold a secret language, a kind of personal code that's just waiting for you to crack it. And that really brings us to the big question, right? Is it possible that the numbers in your life are trying to tell you something? This idea suggests that your birth date isn't just a date on a calendar, and your name isn't just a label. They could be keys to unlocking something way deeper about who you are and the path you're meant to be on. You know, our fascination with numbers goes way, way back. Long before we used them for spreadsheets and math problems, people all over the world saw them as these powerful, mystical symbols. They believed numbers were the keys to decoding the secrets of the entire universe. And that belief, that's the foundation for everything we're about to get into.
So, how do we start to unlock these secrets? Well, the key is a practice called numerology. At its heart is all about studying the mystical, hidden relationship between numbers and the big events that shape our lives.
So, what exactly is it? Well, you can think of numerology as a kind of divination tool. It's a way to uncover insights about yourself and the world around you, not through some vague magic, but by analyzing these specific, symbolic meanings that are attached to different numbers. And here is the absolute core principle of the whole thing. Every single number is believed to have its own unique energy or vibration. For example, the number 1 might vibrate with independence and leadership, while the number 2 resonates with partnership and harmony. And these properties, they say, can subtly influence our personalities and the choices we make. This quote really just nails it. The whole point isn't really to predict the future, but to get some clarity on the present. By understanding these numeric vibrations, you can potentially see your own life, your choices, and your challenges from a much clearer, more informed point of view. Okay, so if these numbers hold a personal code, where in the world do we find the keys? Well, it turns out they're not random at all. They come from two of the most fundamental pieces of your identity. Your personal numbers are pulled from two main places. First up, your birthday. You add up the digits in a special way to find your life path number, which is said to reveal your bigger purpose and the lessons you're here to learn. And second, your full name. Yep, the letters are actually converted to numbers to uncover things like your soul's urge, which represents your deepest desires. Each one reveals a totally different side of you. So when you start to put all of this together, it becomes a really powerful concept. Calculating and interpreting these numbers is kind of like being handed a personalized map of your own life, one that can shine a light on not just where you've been, but where your path might be leading you. And the ultimate destination on that map, it's all about self-knowledge. Just like it says here, each number is like one piece of a giant puzzle, and the whole practice is about putting those pieces together to build a more complete, more coherent picture of who you truly are. So what does that actually look like? Well, it starts with understanding the core of your personality and maybe discovering some clues about your life's real purpose. From there, you can start to see if the path you're on right now lines up with that purpose. And all of this helps you gain a bigger, more insightful perspective on your life's journey. As our source material puts it, numerology numbers can be exceptional when it comes to self-discovery. I love that because it shifts the focus away from just fortune-telling and more towards a tool for looking inward. The real value, it suggests, is in that personal journey of growth and understanding. So whether you see this as a mystical science or just a really fascinating way to think about yourself, the idea is pretty compelling. It suggests that the numbers woven into your life aren't just data points. They're part of a story. And the only question left is, what secrets might your numbers hold?